Fuck. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be finally building my computer. I've been sitting on these parts for about a week now, waiting to get everything ready. So now that I have everything, I can finally get to build it. So I'm just going to go real quick over a few things that makes a computer. First thing we got is our motherboard. Asus or Asus or however you want to say it. I've heard really good reviews on it and I did a lot of research on it, so I'm super excited to be able to use it. Power supply, it's fully modular, so it'll be easier for good old cable management. The GeForce Zotac 1070 Founders Edition. I've actually had this for a while, which is why the box is all messed up. It's been in my other build for about almost a year now. It's a beast! 1070, that thing is no fucking joke. And we have our i5 7600K. I stuck with an i5 over an i7 because I don't really need that for gaming for what I do. So I'm just sticking with the i5 for now. They're very respectable CPUs, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep it that. Then my RAM, I have Dominator Platinum Corsair. They look really nice, they're really fast, and I'm excited for them to be in my build. 32 gigabytes. It's gonna be more than enough for what I need. And then I have the Corsair H100i V2 liquid cooling CPU cooler. First time ever using liquid cooling, so I'm excited and kind of nervous about setting that up. So we'll see how that goes. Solid state, it's only 250 gigabytes because that's all I need for my operating system. That's what it's going to be used for. And then I have 2 terabyte HDD for all my games and other stuff like that. And then over here, we have the Phanteks Eclipse P400 case. It's tempered glass and it comes with some LED strips. It's really cheap. It's about $89, so it's pretty cheap for a case, and I've heard really good reviews on it and it looks really nice, so I'm super excited to build this into it. And I have my 2 Asus LCD monitors. They're 21.5 inch. They're only 1080p. I have a 4K on the way, but it's taking a long time to get here, so I'm hoping that gets here soon. Now that I've showed you everything, let's start getting these things out of the boxes and putting them together. It's time for the peel porn.
Oh yeah, you like that? Oh, I know you do. Oh man, gotta love that peel porn. Yeah.
Oh, that was a terrible time to look at your face.
huge. So I had to shift the motherboard around, but I found out I could take a plate off the back, and it's a lot easier to put in now.
What an adventure.
So adventurous. So now I'm currently I had to adjust the motherboard a little bit so I can get the graphics card in. So I'm screwing that back in now. Graphics card is in, the water cooler is in. So after this, it'll just be the power supply and hard drives and wiring, cable management. So, yeah. All right, guys, moment of truth. Took a long time to put this thing together. Let's see if it turns on. Woo! And would you look at that? We have a working computer, boys. So there it is, the full build up with a little hiccups here and there, but all in all, we got the thing running. So next I'm gonna be hooking the monitors up and starting to install all the programs and all the boring stuff that isn't worth a video. So if you like this, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will also be adding all the descriptions of all the components and stuff that I use for this build down there as well. So if you want to use any of these parts or just get an idea of what you want to do, check those out. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.
Bye. I did everything for this. Justin was just my stunt double.
Sit in my chair.
Hi guys, my name is Justin. I'm gonna build this computer. This is a motherboard, because it says right there. This is a Supernova. It came from space. This is a desktop processor, the 7th generation. It comes with a 3-year limited warranty. And it feels like The Office when you look directly into the lens. Because you're just like... Beautiful!
Man, I'm gonna nail public speaking.
Fucking nailed it! Okay, enough of this shit show.